everybody! Hey dear Rise Upper. So, I will have amazing news at the end of the video, so wait for it. It will arrive at the end. But for now, I want to approach what is one of the most destructive things that can actually stop us from reaching any goal, from actually become a leader and a business owner or entrepreneurs. What is the thing that can get us stuck for years to come? And I see people coming in. Hello everybody, good to see you, Hector. Good to see you, Tom. So, and good to see you, Borsha. A lot of people coming in today. So what is one of the most destructive things? And that is comparison. Now, why comparison? Because it can get you stuck, because it lowers your energy level in a ways that you won't believe. I will give you an example. You know, when I started out with videos, and before that, I all the time compare myself to others. In that way, I couldn't actually see myself succeeding. I saw myself, I'm not good enough. I don't know if I can. I don't know if it's possible to get to this level. And I start all the time to compare myself to others. And what happened? Unconsciously, what happened is fear of failure and fear of judgment was very, very strong in me. It was anchored in me because I all the time compare myself to others. Like, this one is amazing. Look at him talk. Look at him with his confidence. And I can't do that. If I will talk, maybe people will laugh at my English. My grammar is not great. Maybe, I don't know if I can hold a video that long. I don't know if I am able to talk like that, in that enthusiastic kind of voice. And Lewana, hey, how are you? So all those negative things comes just from this simple thing, comparison. Because I kept comparing myself to those successful people that are crazy in videos. They have the passion and all that. And I stopped myself. For more than 9 years, I stopped myself. And I don't want you to be there. Because as long as you keep comparing, the fear of failure, the fear of judgment is crawling up, digging itself up more and more and more. And it becomes this huge pile of fear that is very, very hard to lift in an instant. So, when you start to notice that you start comparing yourself to others, stop it at a minute and ask yourself, where are you compared to last year? Always compare yourself to yourself. This is a very simple solution, but so powerful, that can help you start to unleash your best potential and get rid of those fears and actually start succeeding in what you're doing. And it's very simple. And if you watch it here, right here in the group, I will put here the video where I just first started. You will see the difference, because when I started, it wasn't perfect. And it can't be perfect. Remember this phrase, done is better than perfect. Let me repeat it. Done is better than perfect. This phrase changed my life, because I was all the time trying to perfection, because again I compare myself to others. So I wanted to be perfect as there, and it can't be done. There is no perfection. There is no perfection. Just do and then amplify. Do and amplify. Do and get it better. Do and get it better. That way you actually get to your best version of yourself. Does that make sense? If it does, I would love to hear about it. So comment below, make sense. Or if you watch the replay, just hashtag replay. But and also, if you watch the YouTube on YouTube, you will see at the end of the video the comparison between now and then, that you can know. And it's not for bragging. It's for you to show you that even at the start, you will suck. You know, my first videos, I talked like a zombie, like a dead zombie, and you will see. It's a funny thing to see, because I was, hey everybody, how are you today? It was really, really bad. And if I let it stop me, I couldn't get to where I am today. And again, it's not for bragging, it's for you to take it as an inspiration and as a drive and know that you can do it as well. Because you can. So start with simple act. Start comparing yourself to others. Start comparing yourself to yourself. Where have you been last year? Where have you been 3 months from now to now? What is the difference? Show yourself and comment below. What is the difference? 3 months back, where have you been? 1 year ago, where have you been and where are you now? Writing it down, because when you're writing it down, you become aware to it, and then you see, hey, I am successful. Hey, I can do that shit. So comment below, where have you been and where are you now? Start this comparison and anchor that in yourself right now. So comment below, what is, where have you been and where are you now? And what is the act that, because you know, listening here to the video is awesome. Okay, I appreciate it. I love it that you are here and investing your time with me. But that's not everything. After you finish this video, go and act. Go and do. Don't wait up until next year, until you will be ready. Go do now. So what is the act that you're going to do right now after you finish watch it? What is the thing? What is the one simple step to get out of your comfort zone and start to grow to the best version of yourself? And stop comparing, because comparing can destroy you and can lift you at, not lift you, sorry, let you stay at the same place for years to come, and let those fears control you and not let you actually moving forward. Does that make sense? If it does, I would love to hear about it. So comment below. Make sense, or hashtag replay that I know that it makes sense to you. And also, what is the action that you're going to take now? Comment below. Make accountability for yourself to do it, because when you shout it out loud, you start to be accountable. You got to do it because you just gave the commitment, and you get the chance by 80% more, statistically proven, 80% more to achieve that goal. So comment below, what is the action that you're going to do? What is it? Where have you been and where are you now? And Ian, thank you for joining in now. And that will stop the comparison for others, and one of the most destructive things that actually stop us from moving forward. So one more thing before I go, the amazing news and the exciting news, because the workshop Crush Your Fear, Become Unstoppable is now available for enrollment, and I'm so excited because I worked for it and crafted for more than 4 months for you to crush your fears and become the leader, the fearless leader that you can be. Because I've been stuck for years, and also I saw it on a lot of my students. They got stuck for years, but when they unplug that fear that stopped them, they get to a highest level. And so everybody can. So I believe in that, and I truly believe this workshop can help and impact as many people as I can. But this workshop is limited to 7 people, so hurry up now. 6 spots left, so hurry up, catch your enrollment as well. It will be in the description below. And have an amazing and productive day, and I really appreciate you for being here. Invest your time with me today, and if you like this video, give me a thumbs up that I know that you want more of it. And if you're watching on YouTube, just hit the subscribe button to never miss out an episode. I will see you next time. Have a great one.
Hey everyone, how is everyone's doing? So first of all, I want to apologize for my English. Yeah, I know it's not the best, but I'm still working on it, so just bear with me. Have you ever felt that disappointment feeling after you gave all you got and the client just say, let me think about it? Or maybe it will just say, no way, I don't want your product. Most of the time, it doesn't really come from that answer. The answer is not the real answer. Maybe you didn't reach his objection enough that he will really want to buy your product.
Hey everybody! So, in the end of the video is there going to be exciting news, so wait for it. I'm going to talk about it in the end, but for right now,
The main thing I want to stress out, because I get a lot of people that ask me about their home and they get stuck right now with all the situation, and how can we get over those limiting beliefs that get us depressed, stuck, feel frustrated and angry, because right now we kind of forced to be home. So a lot of limiting beliefs rise up and we start to be more angry, more frustrated because we can't go outside. So all the limiting beliefs hit us in the face.